When the game is over, either out of bound or self-collision, the game loop still runs to animate the strategy for rendering and then movement of the dead case. So what you need to do is in a timer listener, the game loop which should stop detecting collision, but moving the body segment of the snake and then repaint the canvas is needed for the animation stuff. But detect collision is not needed when game's over. But overall visual effect, even if the collision detection is checked every frame, the overall visual effect has a little difference though. But if you are concerned about that, we need to set another flag to check whether a game is over or not. So on the game board, let's add another flag for that private boolean game over. And then let's give a setter and getter for this instance member all the way bottom. So set game over is there, setter is there. But as to the getters, you can have a get game over as you expect from other integers or like that. But a Boolean case, the recommended style is a game over is more appropriate in terms of English sentence. Since this is true or false, instead of a get game over is a getter for a Boolean type. So when you start the game, so button click listener, when you start the game, let's set game board, set game over false there. And then in the timer listener, we do detection collision if game board is a game over is false. It's not game over, we do the collision detection. Then when game over occurs, by detecting the out of bound situation, then game board set game over true, and then when self-detection, self-collision, game board set game over true there, then we can skip collision detection when game is over. So if I run now again, well, visually it may be hard to see that, but no more collision detection is performed when game is over. But when you start, collision detection works.